If you've been watching the news lately, then you're probably thinking that the housing market is on a steep downhill trajectory and headed for a crash. We went from multiple offers over asking price to price reductions and seller concessions in just a few short months. But does that really mean we're headed for a crash? I'm Jason Brinson.
And I'm Danny Powers. We're the BrinPo Group of First Thomasville Realty. Let's look at the data from Realtor.com housing report and see what's happening so you can make an educated decision on buying and selling. The national inventory of active listings increased by 26.6% over the last year. The total inventory of unsold homes, including pending listings, increased by just 1.3% year over year due to the decline in pending inventory, minus 21.9% actually. Selling sentiment declined and listing activity followed, with new listed homes declined by 13.4% on a year-over-year basis. The median list price grew by 14.3% in August, and deceleration from recent highs. Time on the market was 42 days, 5 days more than last year, but 22 days less than the typical pre-pandemic levels. Regionally, large western markets, which saw some of the most growth last year and earlier this year, are now showing the greatest signs of deceleration. With larger inventory increases, more price reductions, and more quickly deceleration price growth over the regions.
The short and sweet version is home prices are still increasing, just not as sharply as they were a few months ago. And pending listings dropped a little, so there are more homes on the market for buyers to choose from. The data point that's most telling to us is the total list number, which is down 44% from pre-pandemic levels. There's still a huge supply issue.
So let's take a second and see what's going on here locally.
In the Thomasville area multiple listing service, we currently have 163 active listings and 56 homes sold last month. So that puts us at around 3 months of inventory, which is up from 2.5 months in July and 1.7 months in July of 2021. So yes, we are still in a seller's market, but we are moving closer to the normal market range. The average days on market dropped a little to around 70 days, and on average, homes are actually selling just a bit below list price. To us, again, the big number is the total number of available listings. Pre-pandemic levels were in the 450 range, and we're currently slowly climbing up from the low to mid 100s.
So the big question that many people ask, is it still a good time to sell? And where's the market going? It is definitely a good time to sell. A properly priced, well-marketed, and well-maintained home will always sell quickly. What does the future hold? There are way too many factors for anyone to be able to tell us with any kind of certainty what the future of real estate market really looks like. But if the basic economic factors continue in the direction they are going, then the real estate market should continue to slowly normalize. What the real estate market really needs is more inventory, not less demand.
Pricing your home correctly in this shifting market is the key to selling your home quickly. The longer a home sits on the market, the more negotiable buyers are going to expect you to be. Price it correctly from the start and put it in front of as many buyers as possible, as quickly as possible, is still the best strategy.
It can be scary understanding how to navigate this market, so reach out to the experts. Please reach out to us for a hassle-free strategy session that's zero cost to you. We're looking forward to hearing from you, and like always, let us help you reach your goals.